they got those cool garages. Oh, you probably park it here. What the heck did I just walk through?
Oh my God, look at that bench.
Oh, really? Where, back there? There's another one up here. What if it's open? Oh, there's an elevator to go down. Take a picture of that. We might actually walk over there. Give a shot. Look at that. Vanzilla's on the dam.
I think this is Mexico.
Oh yeah, we're at the time zone too. This is the edge of the time zone. This is so cool. Park up here for free? Sucks the visitor center's closed. It's get refurbished until December. I know, I was like, what the? Why would they choose to do that during the summer? Ah, crap, I still got paid. I think. Wait, are they even open? Kinda do. Something there? Oh, shit.